Greetings, Chris Viola here with another edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog. I know we said we were going to do ideogram today, but I'm still stuck on the waiting list. And in the meantime, Microsoft has released an updated version of Bing that now includes the latest iteration of the Dall-E graphics generator. So let's give that a shot and see if it's any more useful now than it was when we looked at it a few months ago. So let's give it a shot. Same thing, we're going to try to create a logo for Viola Factory. Not sure what that graphic is supposed to be, but not very useful. Let's make it steampunk. That's interesting. There's some interesting ones there. Let's choose one here. Now, I guess if I do that, do I lose the ability to update it? Wonder if I can, since this thing cannot spell at all, let's wonder if it'll let me remove the type. What made me think of that is if you look here, no, it's still doing that. Yeah, it removed everything except the type, so not helpful. Still dumb as a box of hammers, all of these things here. I was curious that if I could get rid of the misspell type, I could do the add a slogan to the logo that you see over here. Let's try this a different way. Let's say create an icon for a company named Viola Factory without any words. A little better. Let's try make it steampunk again. Yeah, it seems to get confused as to what it's doing here still. I don't have the ability to change the font style. That's okay, there isn't any font. Well, and now it's added fonts in, so well, I think the best thing here is still, if you wanted to do something here, take one of these that has the name as a plate. Actually, let's see, like this one perhaps, and then Photoshop it and just write over the type. That's well, yeah, these things are still the same they are. I was excited for the idea, whatever it was there, ideogram, because it said it was something you could finally type. What I really find exciting about this stuff is that we're not doing speech to text. We're actually typing it in, and yet we can't get from Viola Factory to Fella. Felloli. I could understand if it was trying to interpret my voice, but it's just bad. All right, so the Microsoft Bing with ChatGPT and Dall-E, still dumb as a box of hammers. Viola out. Have a great week.